Normally we use this time for top flicks. Spoiler alert, Hunger Games beat out everything else once again. But not tonight. Not too long ago, our resident meteorologist made a surprise trip to Denver, and this is what happened. That's Kevin Cherrick popping the big question last year to his college sweetheart, Mary. And next weekend, they're going to tie the knot. Now, to celebrate, we asked you on our Facebook page to share some sound advice for the newlyweds. Kelly said, never forget that you are each human and individuals, both of which make mistakes. Love each other wholly and never go to bed angry.
I've got to get in on this. Tom Kidd agrees, adding, Kevin, for God's sake, remember to put the toilet seat down. Kevin struggles with that a lot.
You got to remember that one. Ron says 2 words, yes, dear. Remember that, and you'll be fine.
And Sharon says, good luck, well wishes. You'll both need that. Marriage is tough, but if you both work at it 50-50, you'll make it all the way. Like Shaquille O'Neal and Kobe Bryant. 50-50, no matter what the difference is.
Exactly.
Great analogy. Well, that was awesome. It feels like just yesterday that happened. We got engaged at the end of January of 2011, so it's been a long time. But yeah, next weekend's the big day, so we're looking forward to it.
Well, we're going to miss you, but we know you're going to be having a good time.
I'll be gone for 2 weeks.
Hopefully you'll share some of the pictures when you come back.
I will, I promise. Hey, take a look at weather right now. We still have some scattered showers. Transitioning over to weather around central Illinois. It looks like we're still holding on to the chance for scattered storms overnight, but everything pushes out after midnight, and overnight low near 55 degrees.
All right, well, thanks a lot for joining us. WANDTV.com has all your latest news, weather, and sports. Have a good night.